Most drivers don't buy bad tires, they buy the wrong ones. They trust the brand, trust the shop. Assume higher price means better quality. It doesn't. You're paying for marketing, not better rubber. That's why premium tires die at 40,000 miles, when others last 70. And the best tires, they're not the ones being pushed at the counter. So before you buy, hear this. The first mistake happens before you even compare. Tip number 1, no-name budget brands. They look like a deal online. Stylish tread designs, low prices, and flashy specs. But what you don't see is the inconsistency. These tires often come from small factories with loose quality control, and that means uneven tread wear, weak sidewalls, and poor performance in heavy rain or heat. You might save up front, but when they struggle to hit 40,000 miles and start losing grip halfway through, you'll pay more in replacements. A real bargain lasts, these don't. And stay away from the clearance section, as there is a reason those tires are on sale. This next one looks smart on paper, but it quietly burns money. Tip number 2, performance tires for daily driving. Performance tires are built for grip, not longevity. They use softer rubber compounds designed for cornering at high speeds, not commuting in traffic or enduring summer heat. If your car rarely sees a racetrack, that softer rubber is just burning away money. The reality? For most drivers, you're trading 30% more grip you'll never use for 40% less tread life you'll absolutely miss. And the third mistake is the one that fools the most buyers. Tip number 3, overpriced premium lines. Some premium tires are worth it, but many ride on reputation. The added cost often reflects branding, larger dealer markups, and more advertising, not necessarily more tread life. Mid-tier brands today have bridged the gap, using similar compound tech and tread patterns at a fraction of the cost. Always compare cost per mile. You'll be surprised how often the budget set outlasts the luxury pair. Now here's where tire tech starts changing the game. Tip number 4, outdated tire models. If a tire's model name has been around for years and rarely updated, it's likely using an older compound. Rubber tech moves fast, and updates can mean real gains in fuel efficiency and tread wear. Just because your mechanic swears they've always been solid doesn't mean they're still competitive in 2026. Tire technology ages, and so does performance. The next one sounds safe, but cheap versions fail fast. Tip number 5, cheap all-season tires. All-season sounds great, but the cheapest versions often fail to perform in any season after a year or two. The rubber hardens in cold weather, traction fades in rain, and the tread design can't shed water effectively once it's halfway worn. The smart move, buy quality all seasons from proven brands or go for a true summer-winter setup depending on climate. And this is where a lot of people get nudged into the wrong choice. Tip number 6, shop push tires. When a tire shop recommends something, ask why. You might be getting what's best for their inventory, not your car. Some brands offer shops better margins or rebates for moving more product. That doesn't make them bad, but it means you should always cross-check the specs, tread wear rating, UTQG scores, and real mileage reports before saying yes. Because brand loyalty can hide some expensive mistakes. Tip number 7, buying based on brand alone. A strong brand name doesn't guarantee the right tire for your needs. Every brand has both winners and weak spots in their lineup. Don't just ask for Michelin or Goodyear, compare actual treadwear warranties, price per mile, and user data. Let the numbers, not the logo, guide you. 7 real tire brands that actually deliver. Brand number 7, a General Tire. General Tire is owned by Continental and has built a reputation for dependable, affordable quality. The Altimax RT43 and RT45 deliver 60 to 70,000 miles of tread life with confident wet traction and a quiet ride, all at a lower cost per mile than most entry-level competitors. Real-world tests show the Altimax line maintains performance even as it wears, resisting uneven tread wear and staying consistent deep into its lifespan. For everyday sedans, crossovers, or compact SUVs, General remains one of the most practical and value-driven tire choices in the market. And the real surprises are just getting started. Brand number 6, Falken. Falken has earned driver loyalty by focusing on durability and real-world reliability over hype. The Sincera SN250 and SN201 lines both carry warranties up to 80,000 miles, offering excellent wet braking and low road noise. Truck and SUV owners swear by the Wildpeak A/T3W series for its off-road toughness, strong sidewall protection, and stability in hot or wet climates. Falken's biggest strength is consistency. It manages to deliver premium treadwear and traction at prices significantly below the big-name brands, proving long life doesn't have to cost a fortune. Brand number 5, Cooper. Cooper has always prioritized real road durability instead of flash. Their CS5 Ultra Touring and Endeavor Plus lines often reach 80,000 miles of tread life while remaining quiet and composed. For trucks and SUVs, the Discoverer lineup stands out for its tough construction, even treadwear, and dependable performance in mixed weather. Now part of the Goodyear family, Cooper has retained its independent approach to practical tire engineering. For drivers who want long wear, solid grip, and an honest price tag, Cooper continues to be one of the smartest buys in the business. This next brand is where comfort and mileage start to meet. Brand number 4, Yokohama. Yokohama has mastered the balance of performance, comfort, and longevity. The Avid Ascend GT is a standout among touring tires, offering up to 85,000 miles of tread life while maintaining grip in wet and dry conditions. Truck and SUV owners turn to the Geolandar line for its rugged durability and smooth ride, whether on-road or off. Yokohama's advanced tread compounds and noise-reducing technology help it rival premium competitors for less money. For drivers seeking a refined, comfortable tire that doesn't sacrifice mileage, Yokohama hits the sweet spot. Brand number 3, Hankook. Hankook has quietly evolved from a once budget-tier option to a trusted OEM supplier for brands such as BMW, Mercedes, and Audi. The Kinergy ST and Kinergy 4S2 offer balanced handling and up to 70,000 miles of tread life, with a quiet, smooth ride that feels more expensive than it is. For trucks and light SUVs, the Dynapro AT2 delivers reliable performance both on pavement and over rough terrain. Hankook's broad range now competes directly with mid-premium brands by delivering impressive quality, fuel efficiency, and value per mile, making it one of the most underrated names in tires today. The final two are the ones most drivers argue about. Brand number 2, Pirelli. Pirelli may be famous for performance cars, but its modern touring and all-season models surprise many drivers with long-lasting value. The Cinturato P7 all-season plus 2 blends comfort and control with tread life that often reaches 75 to 80,000 miles. It stays stable and composed at highway speeds while maintaining strong grip in wet conditions. For SUVs and crossovers, the Scorpion line competes directly with Continental and Michelin in real-world longevity, but usually costs less. Pirelli's greatest advantage is consistency. Its tires retain traction and comfort even late in their lifespan, making it a smarter buy than many realize. And now we're at the tire that sets the standard for the whole list. Brand number 1, Continental. Continental stands at the top for one reason: proven, measurable longevity. The TrueContact Tour regularly tests at 80 to 90,000 miles, combining superb wet braking and quiet comfort with an impressive cost per mile. The PureContact LS adds near-luxury smoothness and improved fuel efficiency through Continental's Eco Plus compound technology, which reduces rolling resistance while slowing tread wear. As the largest tire manufacturer in Europe and a supplier for brands like Mercedes, BMW, and Porsche, Continental's quality is trusted worldwide. When you factor in price, performance, and real-world durability, Continental simply delivers more miles for your money than anyone else. At the end of the day, most drivers don't waste money because they pick the wrong size or style, they waste it because they never compare. Once you look past brand hype and focus on tread life, fuel efficiency, and real-world cost per mile, the smartest choices become obvious. The right tires don't just save you money, they save you frustration, time, and performance every day you drive. Subscribe to CarSplainer for honest car advice, maintenance truths, and driving insights that keep you on the road longer for less.